This brief video will introduce you to Zotero, a personal research assistant software that helps you collect, organize, annotate, cite, and share library resources. Start at zotero.org and click the red download button. Make sure you download both the Zotero app and the Zotero connector. Both of these must be on your computer if you want to be able to use Zotero. Once I have Zotero installed, you'll see that I have several collections that I've already created. The items I've added to Zotero are in the middle, and then if I click on a specific item, the information about that item or metadata shows up on the right. There are also a slew of icons on the far right side of the screen that perform specific functions. I'm going to create a new collection for today focused on joy. Now that I have my collection created, I need to add resources. Starting on the library homepage, I found this book. If I click on the book, notice that the connector icon changes to a book. You may need to look for the connector icon under the puzzle piece if you don't see it right next to your address. When I click the item, it adds to my Zotero library. There we go. Now I'm going to look in a library database. Because I have a results list, my Zotero icon changed to a folder. And from here, I could choose a couple items I want to add, or I could go item by item. A note that if you're using JSTOR, you may need to accept the terms to see the article before you can add it to your collection. Zotero also works with publisher pages. I have an article icon now. I can click that and add it. Now that I have a slew of items in my collection, I need to make sure that the capitalization is correct. If you're using APA, you need to take this step. Right-click on the title of the article and choose Sentence Case. You will need to correct any proper nouns, but beyond that, Zotero will do the rest. Now I'm ready to create a bibliography. Right-click on the collection and choose Create Bibliography from Collection. You'll be prompted with a variety of citation styles. I'm going to choose APA 7th edition. If you need a citation style that's not listed, you can choose Manage Styles and add it. My output method is going to be RTF because I can open that in Microsoft Word. And here you can see a perfectly formatted reference list. I could take this reference list and now start writing my paper. Or if I want to do something special, I can open a new document and just start writing my paper. I place my cursor right where I want my in-text citation to go. And then I choose the Zotero menu and add citation. Again, I specify I'm working with APA, and then I choose the article I want to cite. And it will add my in-text citation for me. If I need to edit it, I click on the field and it turns gray, and I can click the Add Edit button and choose the bubble. There, I could add a specific page number if I had a direct quote. I can also add multiple sources if I need. Then, when it's time to add my references, I add a page break, title my page References, and click the Add Bibliography button. And it will pull the references that I used in my paper to create my references list. What's nice about this is if I then edit my reference and we decide to take out one of the sources, it will automatically update my reference list as I go. In the Zotero app, you can also annotate your PDFs. Click on any source that has a PDF and you'll see the PDF reader come up. You can highlight using a variety of colors, leave notes, or underline text. It's a great feature to help you stay organized. Another thing that's important to do in the Zotero software program is go to the preferences. On a Mac, these are under the Zotero menu, and on Windows, it's under the Edit menu. On the General menu, you will want to scroll down, and under Locate, you're going to choose North America and find SUNY Brockport. That will put in our base URL automatically so that the Locate button works. The Locate button helps you locate an item in our collection. So we brought this article in from a publisher website. To find the full text, we use the Locate button on the right-hand side and choose Library Lookup. This will take us right over to our library's access to this article if we have it. If not, you can sign in and place a request. We'll send you the PDF in about 2 to 3 business days. At that point, you can drag the PDF onto your entry in the Zotero app and it will be there for you to use. Another handy feature for you to use is the Notes function. When you click on a source, you can choose the Note icon and add an item note. This will attach to the reference entry. We could then search our entire library for that note, and you'll see the note appear with the corresponding resource. This video covered the basics for Zotero. If you need assistance, please ask a librarian for more help.